I'm still on a beautiful island of Phuket. We're going to check out a lot of units. If you want to live in paradise for under $50,000, there are some units and things to consider when you are searching for properties in Phuket. Not only just in Phuket, but in Thailand in general. We will go over a few other units, but in this video, I checked out 3 units. Come with me and enjoy the video.
Bought this building and they plan on remodeling it. And they got a lot of...
Yeah, we have the 3 units also, but
Okay.
For another is the first floor also, but
It's my taxi ride. He got a nice hooked up ride. He got some bottles of liquor down there. Got the exclusive logo. He got some amps down there. They got a lot of vans like this set up custom. That's how they show off. You got some Alpine speakers. Pretty nice. You got a lot of stuff going on up front. And he got all this tourist stuff. Here's the next location. Just found out we're down by where the ships dock from the cruises. We're gonna go over there, check it out after this. One thing about the older buildings, they don't really care much about the exterior. You will see most of the buildings, unless it's a new build, it's going to look rough on the outside. The realtor's here. I'm waiting on her. I don't know exactly where she's at. She's around here somewhere. It's simple. It's nice. Feels like a hotel room, but you get more when it comes to a hotel room. I would like the bedroom to be a whole separate area from your sitting area. It costs more. I'm looking at cheap things. This is on the lower end. They did remodel this unit. As you can see, all this stuff is new. It's small, but it's nice. Most of the time, you probably won't be cooking much. I do like that it's separate with the glass, so if you are cooking, then all the fumes and the smell can stay in here. You can probably put a small table in here. This is the balcony. It's real quiet out here. Man, it's big, double. Small microwave. Usually they'll have a hot plate in here. They'll put the hot plate right here. I'm not sure what's here. What would you put there? Bathroom's nice. The showers are open showers, so everything's gonna get wet shower. It's not bad. Okay, there's your table there. I put a bigger couch here. One of the buildings here is 3. This one is vacant. And she said that someone bought this building and they plan on remodeling it. And they got a lot of paperwork here. But whoever bought this building, they said they're gonna remodel the whole thing, and the developer bought the land across the street. They plan on building a gym. Be nice for future investment. It's real quiet here. If you can see, there's water. She showed me a second unit here on the top level that has a renter inside. He's renting for 6,000 baht. He'll be here for a while. That's my ride. Yeah, it's the water there. They said the ship's dock here. Not much out here. That's it. This is the building.
Yeah, we have a 3 unit also, but
Okay.
for another is the first floor also, but not sure about the number of the room. But I have 2 units to show you first. But for another it look like this, but I have the photo. I will send you more.
Okay.
Like
Okay. Let me show.
this one. First floor.
Okay. Same size?
Same size.
Okay.
But the price is different.
Cheaper?
Little bit.
I think this is a little overpriced.
Yeah, I will show you about the price of all of the little bit different. When you want.
Texas, America?
Oh, but I will be there.
It's nice. You need to visit. So are these your listings? Are you the agent for these? Okay. Okay, I like this one better. This one is nicer. UAC.
First, I have to start with, you will not find a condo on a beach or in a hot area for 50 grand on the island of Phuket. Phuket is one of the biggest hotspots for foreigners moving to Thailand. And another thing, for 50K, don't expect anything big. You will be looking at 20, 25, 30 square meters at the most. You won't be able to find a one separate bedroom for under 50K. So you will be in the locals area. You won't be on the strip. You won't be in a hot area at this price range. As you go up to 80 to 100,000, then yes, you will be able to find something closer, but it probably still won't be on the beach. There are hotels that are selling rooms for 80 to 100,000, and they'll have a pool there, and you pay what we call HOA dues. You pay monthly fees for the accommodations. From the recording of this video to now, a lot has changed with visas and trying to get bank accounts. You will have to go through an attorney or a company that will help you execute anything dealing with real estate. They will do the due diligence of looking into whose name on the deed, the land information, and transferring all this into your name, and it will come at a cost. It's not cheap. Of course, this is a real estate transaction. Is the process easy? I would say no, compared to a lot of other countries I've been to. Looking at real estate, I love Phuket. I would buy something in Phuket. 50 grand is going to be about that low point. One thing I found out during this process is you will have one condo listed and it'll be 10 people listing it. It will be hard to track down who's actually the listing agent. So every time you go on a different website, you will see someone else listing that same unit. And when you reach out to them, they will not say, no, I'm not the listing agent. They trying to get you to see the unit. They will make money off them viewing the unit with you. And of course, depending on what country you're coming from, that is different. So you will see and you will come across multiple people as you looking at units. And when it comes to setting appointments, I'm gonna say you better have time and patience. There was one unit I wanted to look at, and I reached out to the person. They have to reach out to the person who has the keys, whether that's the owner or the listing agent. And this could take forever. There was a few other units I looked at that I did not record because they were just basic square rooms. Nothing fancy, nothing pretty to look at. Depending on where you at in Thailand, your dollar will go a longer way. Areas that I've been to in Chonburi, close to the beach, you can get for 50 grand. But it's just going to be a square box. It's not going to be nothing fancy, nothing pretty. So it just depends. I learned a lot during this process, just trying to figure out how the real estate game works out here in Thailand. And if you are trying to live out there or buy something, if you're saying you only got a week to look at some stuff, I would tell you that's not enough time. You definitely need more time to check out things. You're going to have attorneys lined up. You're going to have all this stuff lined up if you only got a week. I would say you need a good month to plan all this stuff. Then you have to figure out the banking situation with transferring your money over to a Thai bank. There's been a lot of issues with money laundering and fraud, and depending on the visa you got, now it's just difficult to get a bank account. So that's something you're gonna have to look into. Overall, if you want to live in Phuket at this 50 grand price range, you will need some type of transportation. These places I were going to, they're not in busy areas where there's a million restaurants. So you will need a motorbike or you will need a car. But yeah, any questions, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it.